Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to this special tarot reading where we are diving deep into the energy of your one of a kind essence. Have you ever felt like there's something about you that catches attention wherever you go? Or that people seem to remember your name because of the energy you radiate? Well, let me tell you, it's not just your looks or what you say, it's everything about you that captivates others. From the way you dress to how you speak, the way you style your hair, and most importantly, your inner beauty, people can't help but be drawn to you. Today, we are going to explore why your uniqueness stands out so powerfully and how everything about you leaves a lasting impression. The cards we have the Star, the Empress, the Magician, Strength, and the Ace of Wands. Let's dive into the details of how these cards paint a beautiful picture of you. Starting off with the star card, that is the first card. You naturally shine. Your light touches everyone around you. People notice you not just because of your appearance, but because of the energy you emit. You have a graceful aura, and it's evident in everything you do, from the way you dress to the way you speak. Your style is undoubtedly a reflection of your inner beauty. Whether you like to keep it simple or express yourself through bold, fashionable choices, people are captivated by your sense of self and authenticity. Your fashion choices and how you carry yourself speak volumes about who you are, and others can't help but take notice. But it's not just about the clothes, my dear. The way you style your hair, the subtle touches you add to your look, and the way you move all contribute to your magnetic presence. So the star is reminding you that you don't need to change anything about yourself. The world is mesmerized by you just as you are. Embrace your uniqueness because that's what sets you apart and makes you unforgettable. Beautiful, right? Now let's check out how others see you. People like the way you balance style with substance. You have an undeniable charm that's reflected in your personality and outward appearance. Whether you wear simple clothes or not, it's the confidence with which you wear them that turns head. Your fashion choices reflect a deep sense of self love, and that's one of the reasons others are so drawn to you. Your voice, lovely. Your voice too is enchanting. People love listening to you speak because there's something soothing yet powerful about it. When you talk, people stop and listen because your words carry weight, wisdom, and kindness. Your voice has a warm, welcoming tone, and you have this innate ability to make others feel cared for just by the way you speak. Isn't it beautiful? That's why people are fascinated by you. It's your inner beauty, your kind heart, and your nurturing energy that shine through every aspect of your life. You helping nature is another aspect of why others admire you. You have this natural ability to make others feel loved, supported, and valued. Whether you are lending a hand to a friend or offering a word of encouragement to a stranger, your compassionate heart is evident and people can't help but remember for you and remember you for it, okay? Okay, let's see what makes you stand out. And for that, we have the magician. People are amazed by your resourcefulness, your creativity, and how you turn even the simplest things into something extraordinary. Whether it's the way you style your hair or the way you accessorize an outfit, you have a magical touch that transforms the ordinary into an extraordinary. Your sense of style, coupled with your self confidence, creates an undeniable allure that others simply can't ignore. You're someone who knows how to work with what you have and make it shine. You combine your inner power with your outer appearance in a way that others find inspiring. It's your ability to weave your unique personality into everything you do, from your clothes to your voice to your actions. That leaves a lasting impression. And one thing I like here about this person is, if it is resonating with you, you live your life with your values. Okay. So that's very beautiful and that really makes you a very beautiful person. and makes you stand out as well. People look up to you not just for your outward appearance, but because they see you as someone who has mastered the art of creativity and authenticity. And I also see that you are a person who loves yourself so much. And people notice how you carry yourself with a calm confidence. You don't need to shout or compete for attention. Your presence alone commands respect. And you don't seek validation from others. If they like you, okay. If they don't like you, okay. That kind of person you are. There's something captivating about how you handle adversity with grace and patience. Whether you are dealing with a tough situation or just going through your day, people are drawn to you, okay, because of your strength and your calmness. Your inner beauty, compassion, and strength shine through every action, every word, and every gesture. Your ability to remain composed and confident no matter what life throws your way is one of the most attractive qualities you possess. People notice this strength, yes, and therefore they are drawn to your energy. Okay. Next up, we have the Ace of Wands. Your unique qualities, from the way you speak to how you present yourself to the world, are going to open doors to new ventures and relationships in the future. It's clear that people will continue to be fascinated by you. Your magnetic energy will only grow stronger, and you will begin to notice more people gravitating towards you. The way you dress, the way you speak, and even the way you style your hair will evolve as you tap into your fullest potential. This is the time to welcome your uniqueness even more because it's about to lead you to even more exciting opportunities. I can see some of you getting the modeling opportunities in the future. Yes, people are going to start recognizing your talent, your vision, and your ability to inspire, and your name will spread even further. I can see those who are about to get the modeling opportunities. You will earn the name and fame as well. Okay, or maybe you are starting off as an influencer. Okay, for some or the other brands, or maybe a brand ambassador. Such kind of opportunities are coming your way, and your name will spread even further. Okay, you have an ability to inspire people that I can see. A very career oriented kind of person you are. Okay, it's clear that what makes you unforgettable is your ability to shine brightly in everything you do. Your uniqueness does not just come from the way you look or the way you speak, but from the beautiful energy that radiates from within. I can see you are more beautiful from the inside. Okay. You have got a powerful combination of inner beauty, confidence, creativity, and strength that people can't help but notice. You leave an impression not just with your appearance, but with the way you make others feel loved, supported, and inspired. So, if you have ever doubted your impact, let this reading remind you. You are a force which has its own uniqueness, and that uniqueness is your greatest gift. The world notices you because there's no one else quite like you. Keep shining brightly and remember, your inner light is what makes you unforgettable, not just outer looks. Okay? You are unique, you are rare, there's no one like you in the world, and that's your power. I hope this reading resonates with you. If it does, don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye for now.